will study about the concentration of solution. Okay, in that true solutions may we are forming some solution. Okay, so when we say concentration of solution, that means that what amount of solute is present in any solvent. Okay, if you are adding 2 tablespoons of sugar into water, it will be of different concentration, and if you will be adding 15 tablespoons of sugar into a glass of water, it will be having a different concentration, because the value of solute varies in both of the beakers, so the taste will also be different. The first one, in which you have added only 2 tablespoons of sugar, will be sweet but still sweet, but the other one, in which you have added 15 tablespoons of sugar, will be more sweet. So the concentration is more of solute in the second beaker. So in these questions, we will read some numericals in which we have to find out the concentration of the solution. Okay. So the first question which we will be doing is to find out the concentration of solution when they dissolve in water, they form a solution. So we have some questions in our book, so we will be doing that to find out the concentration of the solution. Okay. So the formula to find out the concentration of solution is first. Okay. If I just ask you to find out the volume of solution, what you will do? To find out the volume of solution, you know that a solution is made up of solute and solvent. To make a solution, we need a solute and a solvent. So that means the formula of solution would be solution equals to solvent, or we can also write it this solute plus solvent equals to solution. So the questions which we have to do is that we have to find out the concentration of the solution. So the formula for the concentration of solution is concentration of solution. Okay, that is the mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. That means to find out what is the concentration of a solution कितना थिक है, कितना डाइल्यूट है, कैसा है, it is called as a concentration of the solution. And you will be given some questions which will be based upon only this formula. So they are very easy questions. We just have only one formula, and we have to place our whatever the value which we have been given to this formula. That means in the question we would be given this mass of solute and then mass of solution, not solvent, it's solution. Mass of solution. Okay, so sometimes we will be given the mass of solution, and sometimes we will be given the mass of solute and mass of solvent. And we know that solution equals to solute plus solvent. So if in a question there is no solvent mass is given, so we will do mass of solution. It will be the mass of solute plus mass of solvent, and then we will get the mass of the solution. Okay, so please in your fair notebook, everybody have brought your fair notebook? Yeah. Okay, in your fair notebook, write down the first question. contains 30 grams of sugar. A solution contains 30 grams of sugar dissolved in 370 grams of water. A solution contains 30 grams of sugar dissolved in 370 grams of water. Calculate the concentration of this solution. A solution contains 30 grams of sugar dissolved in 370 grams of water. Calculate the concentration of this solution. Okay. So in this question, we have been given that the solution contains 30 grams of sugar. Okay. So what is the mass of solute? In this question, we have been given the mass of solute, okay, which is 30 grams of sugar. I hope all of you know what is solute and what is solvent. Solute is that which is mixed into the solvent, into which we dissolve. So 30 grams of sugar is dissolved. The sugar is dissolved, that means sugar is solute. Okay. A solution contains 30 grams of sugar dissolved. So mass of solute is 30 grams. Okay. Then mass of solvent is how much? It is 370 grams. So you have to read the question very carefully. The language says a solution contains. They are saying about a solution which is made up of 30 grams of sugar and 370 grams of water. That means a solution has 30 grams of solute and 370 grams of solvent. So then we have to find out the mass of the solution also, because we know in the formula there will be mass of solution. So we find out the mass of solution will be mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Alright, everyone? Okay, so the value is 30 plus 370. So it will be 400. Alright, now the formula of concentration of the solution. Because we have to find out the concentration of the solution. So that will be concentration of solution. I am writing the initial C1 dot and SOLN, solution, equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 200. Okay, now we already know what is the mass of solution, 30, and mass of solution is 400 into 100. So we will cut this, okay, like this. It will be I think 7.5. Solve this. Okay, so the value is, the answer would be, the concentration of solution will be 75%. 7.5%. Always you have to remember that you have to put the value in percentage, because it's the concentration of the solution will be in the percentage. Okay. So the concentration of this sugar solution is Now next we will be doing the other question. Copy it down fast. Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question, please write down the next question. If 110 gram of copper sulfate, if 110 gram of copper sulfate is present, copper sulfate is, the formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. Okay, this copper sulfate is a salt which is made from copper and sulfate. Okay, if 110 gram of copper sulfate is present in 550 gram of solution, then calculate the concentration of solution. Calculate the concentration of solution. Okay, so will you try on your own to do this question? First, try on your own and then I'm going to tell you how to do it. Okay. So in this question, we have been given the mass of solute, that is 110 grams, and the mass of solvent is how much? It was, I think, 550 grams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's 550 grams. Okay, so you have to read the question carefully. It says that if 110 grams of copper sulfate is present in 550 grams of solution, so that is not the mass of solvent, but it is the mass of the solution. Okay, that is the mass of the solution. That means that they are saying that we are having 550 grams of solution overall, and into it there is the amount of solute is 110. So already they have mentioned the value of the mass of solution. So here we don't need to add anything. We will not do solute plus solvent. हमें add करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Already solution बना हुआ है. Okay. So we will just place that in the value. So there will be one thing which you have to remember. The questions are very easy. Only one form is applied, but the thing which you have to remember is you have to read it carefully whether they are saying about solution or you have to make the solution. In the question it is written that 110 grams of copper sulfate is dissolved, is present in 550 grams of solution. Already solution is given. So no need to add. We will not do solute plus solvent. तो दिया ही नहीं है ना? Okay. So the mass of the concentration of solution will be again mass of solute plus mass of solute upon mass of solution. Okay, so mass of solute upon mass of solution. This is the only formula which you have to know. बस यही formula है. ठीक है. अब वैल्यू लिखेंगे. मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट है 110, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन है Okay, so here, yes, yes, it will be 20%. Okay, clear everyone? Okay. There is one more formula. Please note it down quickly. Done? Shall I write this? Okay. One more thing would come. Here we have read about mass of solute and solvent and solution. Sometimes it will be a liquid which will be mixed in a liquid mixture. Okay, for that there will be no mass, it will be volume. So the formula will be volume of solute, okay, volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So the only change you will make will be the volume and rest of the formula will remain same. So again it will be volume of solution equals to volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Okay, so this only this thing you have to keep in mind. So please write one more question quickly. A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol, 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water, mixed with 150 ml of water. Calculate the concentration of this solution. A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. Calculate the concentration of this solution. Okay, so I think you will be able to do this. I will solve this on the board quickly. The question says, you have to read the language very properly. A solution contains, okay, 150 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. That means, although they are saying solution, but that is not mixed. They have given two different values, that is 50 ml of alcohol, that is solute, and then they have mentioned the solvent also. So the volume of solute is 50 ml and the volume of solvent is what? 150 ml. है ना? Okay. The volume of solute is 50 ml and volume of solvent is how much? 150 ml. So the volume of solution is 50 plus 150 equals to 200 ml. So concentration of solution would be what?